It's your girl, Stiff Breast. I'm just prank my little never name Rajay. Me I tell him how much he dunce. And I pay a TikTok in one pan. But guys, me never get to do the intro because what me did do, through me I sweep up. Me I say me go do that because through me know say they love TikTok. So what me do, me put on the phone right here so. Me make sure I start the camera from in this so. So I put it right side of me and stand until them saying dunce. Because we never had other choice, so we just did that talk to him. We just want to get in reaction, guys. So, Merry Christmas when it come, guys. Yes, good you got to up him here and all these things. Yes, big up on yourself, guys. Enough respect and love and be careful out there, guys. Yes, be careful out there. Got too much things are going right now. So, I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Yes. Peace out. I hope you like the video. Peace out.
Kidding me, Daddy? A first baby? My name is freaking Lexi, and I wanted a freaking Lexus with a number plate saying Lexi. You guys moron? You're ruining my lunch.
Jamie, you say no pass no test. We are laughing. Me say no pass no exam. That's true. You no pass no exam. Too lie, man. No pass not even one exam. How much you get for your report?
100.
You not get no 100, you too lie. Where you get 100? If you do no work,
and you get 0.
Who get 0? Me they go to school. You don't love TikTok too much. You love TikTok.
And you download the kiwi.
Oh, me not download no me not even know if you download TikTok first. And most sharp man don't know the gunu. A sharp man download TikTok, you know?
Nah, you download the kiwi.
Me not download no my don't tell no
Sharp man download the game, you download the kiwi.
Sharp man an idiot, man. Sharp man not even know what. Sharp man not even know if you go on WhatsApp. If you think he put something in the phone and he put some foolish pan his sitting. But one thing me I go tell you see the TikTok here, if you come and fight and concentrate on schoolwork, too dunce. Look up bikini take a TikTok dunce and if you dip on book. Watch it.
And you make me dunce.
Who make you dunce? Me make you dunce?
Yeah.
Or if you make you dunce? Me a TikTok?
No.
Watch him
Yes,
in phone.
TikTok.
Me have TikTok account, but I don't make it go on TikTok. You have account and you have pay TikTok on the pan. When you know if there in a class, you teach up online, you know on TikTok, this, that. No can't do that. School you now go and take on education.
If I done ya, we live.
If I live.
Done ya.
You could live with me and live on TikTok, little boy. I beat out center, night, morning, evening, noon. Hello, sir. Hello, you are next one up there, so. They just watch me, are you? They now do not man I pay TikTok, they want it on nowadays. Pay TikTok. TikTok. Me not say TikTok not good enough, but you don't need to have time to study on a book. Me know say enough people write TikTok on in paper since this in that. Who study? When after I have study? You go to river actually every week. Anytime you see you last time me make TikTok out there so I pay TikTok. You
see how you make it TikTok. And you say if you
say me come out there come soon I do it TikTok and me jump in it. Me come out and do come soon I do it and me jump in it. Me poor me not love TikTok. I want that time me do TikTok video.
You do bully for TikTok video.
No, leave me do.
You can't show you.
Me not even do 20 video yet. I must have about 7 video me do. Already. But me not lie still Raj. Me I tell you this. You need to circle Uno go a face-to-face class, no if you settle down and do no work. Uno too dunce man TikTok, make uno dunce.
You say you know do 20 TikTok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You say you know do 20 TikTok. You only do 7. You say you do road 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 TikTok you do.
Oh my, which
Look
50
at.
TikTok? 50 video already? That don't reach 30.
Yes, you are past 30, 50.
But me done school already. Me don't want no dunce like I mean. Me want to know if you come bright and brilliant. Me don't want no dunce like me. Me want uno fi come bright and brilliant.
You can't too bright, you will do this. You're not too bright.
You see your uncle bright? Heavy. And me I dunce this one out of all of them. And me no want none of my niece and never them come dunce. Me want no come bright. Bright. Me no want no dunce niece and nephew. No dunce niece and nephew me no want.
You know dance.
Me just put it so. Me put it right as so. And turn on the camera. See there?
And TikTok you did a watch and you turn on it.
No,
You
look
turn
here.
on it make it look like a prank.
Yeah, me turn on it and just a talk to you go like. But look here. Look where they and it catch you. Lord, because I hope your video no short. No sitting there. You no too dance for you.
Catch your back.
Catch you back. You can't prank me. You think all of the you take out the whole of my bread them and slim out of my shop but no go prank me. No can't hold me. Guys, this is my nephew. Pay TikTok in one depend. Don't. You say no don't some. I just in reaction a bright boy. I just in reaction me didn't want to get. So guys, the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. I'm out.